Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Myself Muneshwar Gupta from Smart Abacus Education. All of you already seen my first video. In that video I explain what is the use of abacus, why we should learn abacus, and what is the value of beads. As you know, this is abacus and this center point is ones place of this abacus, and the value of upper beat is 5 and every lower beat is 1. Now in this video I will explain you which technique we will use to calculate the number, how we can calculate with the help of this instrument, means abacus. Students, I am going to say you proper finger technique is paramount in achieving proficiency on the abacus. With abacus, the thumb and the index finger, together are used to manipulate the beads. Beads in lower deck means this one. Beads in lower deck are moved up with the thumb and down with the index finger. If we have to beads move up, then we will use right hand thumb, and if we have to do beads down, means we will use index finger. And similarly for upper beat, we will use index finger for up and down both. And when we have to use upper beats and lower beats both, then we will use these two fingers together. Movement of left hand is very important on abacus. If you want actual result through abacus, then you have to learn movement of left hand. Maximum student, they use only one hand for any number, ones place, tens place or 100 place. You should know abacus concept is not only for the calculation. This concept is developed for development of the brain. You can ask, sir, why, how our brain will develop through abacus? So dear student, when we learn all the movement with this instrument, if we learn how we'll use our right hand as well as left hand, and after some time there is no need to carry this instrument always. First you have to become familiar with this. You have to learn all the function, how we will move beats, and after some time you will start to imagine this instrument. When you start imagination, then left hand, when you will use left hand, the right part of the brain will be more powerful through imagination. As per number, we have to move left hand and right hand. And same thing will be with visualization also. So by movement of left hand, we will develop our right part of the brain. And in the calculation, there are some formula. First, we will learn direct numbers. Means, if, as I know, value of upper bits is 5 and value of lower bits is 1. Now, suppose we have to do on abacus number 4. So, with this thumb, we will use 4 bits up. Right hand thumb, we will do 4 bits up. And after 4, we have to add number 5. So 5, we will do bits down through our index finger. 4 with thumb and 5 with index finger. So answer will be 9. And suppose from 9, we have to do minus 3. So for minus 3, we will do 3 bits down. Now we have to do plus 2. So we'll do again 2 bits up. Again plus 1. So 1 bits up with right hand thumb. And now we have on abacus value is 9. After this 9, we have to add again 9. So now from here, formula will start. At one's place, the maximum value will be up to 9. After 9, if we have to add any number, we will use formula of big friend. There are 3 sets of formula. One big friend, small friend, and combination. So one by one I will explain you. So today I am going to tell you about big friend. In big friend, number 10 is boss. For just making fun, we used words like boss, friends, number of friends. So number 10 is boss. And suppose we have to do here 9. So first of all, we will make friend of 9. If in 9 we will add 1, so it will be 10. So friend of 9 is 1. Similarly, what will be friend of 8? We have to complete number 10 because 10 is the boss. So for friend of 8, 2 is the friend of 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Similarly, what will be for friend of 7? Friend of 7 will be, yes, 3. So just like this, 9, friend of 9 is 1, friend of 8 is 2, friend of 7 is 3. We will go up to 1. Friend of 1 will be 9. Friend of 2 is 8. Friend of 3 is 7. So first of all, we will learn about friends of each number. If we learn by this method, we can remember, we can recall immediately what is the friend of 4. Means 6 will come in mind. So here I was telling you, here 9 is there and we have to add again 9. So as I told you, 10 is the boss and 1 is friend of 9. So here we don't have any bits on 1's place. So addition of 9, what we will do? Plus 10 and minus 1. And here the most important thing, for addition of 10, this 10, you have to use your left hand. And minus 1, you have to use your right hand. Left hand and right hand, both you have to use at a time. See again, 9 is here and we have to add again 9. So what is the formula of 9? Plus 10 minus 1. So how we will do? Plus 10 with left hand and minus 1 from right hand. And now we have to do here minus 3. So what we will do? 3 will be directly down. After 3, we have to do number 2. So 2 will be up with right hand thumb. Again we have to add 9. So again 9 is not possible here because we have only 2 bits. We have to add 9. Some students always say, sir, we will do 9 here. So this is the wrong. So addition of 9, either we can do directly or with formula. So addition of 9, what we will do? Plus 10 minus 1. Now we have to do minus 6. At 1's place, 6 is available here. So we will do directly minus 6 with both finger. Index and thumb. We will do minus 6. Means 6 is here. Then we have to subtract both at a time. Minus 6. And again we have to add number 9. So now students, don't think always for formula. 1's place is totally vacant. So addition of 9 we will do 5 and 4 direct. Here there is no need to use formula of 9. And suppose after 9 here we have to add number 8. So now tell me, what will be friend of 8? First we have to think about friend. Yes, 2 is the friend of 8. So when we have to add 8, so boss will be add and friend of 8 will be minus. Means addition of plus 8, what we will do? Plus 10 minus 2. And here you can see answer is 37. So by this way, plus 9, plus 8, plus 7, plus 6, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. We will add with formula or direct. So now after this video, I will send some worksheet. There you can use friend of each number, big friend, and you can solve directly. After this video, I will explain big friend negative formula. Today, I told you about plus 9, plus 8, plus 7, plus 6. And after this, I will explain you how to do negative sums. Means minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, from 9 to minus 1. So by this way, in 4 or 5 sessions, I will complete all the formula of level 1. And after completion of level 1 with worksheet also, we will start immediately level 2. And we have to complete up to level 8. There are 8 levels in this concept. From starting to direct number, big friend, small friend combination, addition, subtraction, then multiplication, then addition, subtraction of decimals, then division, multiplication of double digit, multiplication with decimals. There are so many things. Basic arithmetic, basic calculation you can solve easily with the help of this abacus. So students, try to solve questions, try to solve all worksheet. Some students, they have book also, so try to solve from basic, and some students are in higher level. So if you are able to do all calculation with abacus, so you should try to solve visual sums. Small number, you start to visualize. Just you think you don't know what is the addition of 2 plus 2. First you become 0. And as per abacus, you have to move 2 bits and you have to move again 2 bits. Then you can imagine there is a 4 bits is touching to the bar. So answer will be 4. Don't calculate directly 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8 or 4 plus 5 is 9. So we are here to develop your brain power. Forget sometime about answer. Whatever the answer may be wrong or may be right. First you have to learn process. You have to learn concept. And if you learn all the basic thing, movement of hand, this is the very important part, and this is the very difficult to do, to use both hand. Maximum student, they are not using both hand. So I am telling again and again. In class I also told you many times, student, use your left hand, use your left hand. When you will start movement of left hand on tens place, then through imagination, your concentration, your imagination, your brain power, your calculation skill will be more powerful. So thank you very much. We'll meet again with third video with another formula. So bye bye everyone. Thank you very much.